Hi students, welcome back to my channel. This is third problem, sixth one. Relation R in the set A of human beings in a town at a particular time is given by R equal to x comma y. What is the relation between x and y means? X and y live in the same locality. We shall verify relation is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Here given that set A is the set of all human beings in a town at a particular time. R equal to x comma y. Here A means set of all peoples in a town means here both x and y are persons belongs to here set A. Here first person x, second person y. What is the relation between first and second persons here means both persons here, first person and second person, x and y live in the same locality. What is the relation between x and y means x and y live in the same locality. Same locality means same area. First one I am verifying reflexive. Reflexive definition: A comma A belongs to relation for every element belongs to given set A. Here instead of A comma A I am taking x comma x. Here when we say that it belongs to relation means both x and x live in the same locality. Here x person, again x person, same person. Reflexive means same person. Every element related to itself. Here person means every person related to himself means we say that relation is reflexive. What is the relation here? X and x, second element is also x. X and x live in the same area means x and x means same person. Since x and x live in the same locality, same area. Therefore, x comma x belongs to relation for every person in a town. For every person here, for every x belongs to set A. Very important. You take any person, that person related to himself. Therefore, a relation is reflexive or is reflexive. Second one, verifying symmetric. Symmetric one, if A comma B belongs to relation, implies that then B comma A belongs to relation. Instead of here A comma B, I am taking here x comma y. Let take like this. Let x comma y belongs to relation. Let taking right relation between x and y. Relation x and y live in the same locality. X and y live in the same locality. Then what? X and y. Then what about y and x? Same persons. Two persons, x and y. Again y and x same persons. Obviously, they lives in the same area. Live in the same locality. Your first person y, second person x. Therefore, your first person here, comma second person y, comma x belongs to relation. Therefore, relation is symmetric. Next, C. Transitive. If A comma B belongs to relation and B comma C belongs to relation. Your second element equal to your first element, then your first element is related to your second element means that is your A comma C belongs to relation means relation is transitive. Here I am taking instead of A comma B I am taking x comma y here. A comma x comma y, x comma y. Here I am taking y comma z, different element. Here middle elements are equal. Second element equal to first element. Let take like this. Let x comma y belongs to relation and y comma z belongs to relation. Here second element equal to first element here. Then verify x comma z belongs to relation or not. Let x comma y belongs to relation means now write relation between x and y. What is the relation between x and y? X and y live in the same locality. X and y live in the same locality. And YZ belongs to relation. YZ it belongs to relation means now write relation between Y and Z. Y and Z live in the same locality. These four persons. Y and Z live in the same locality. So you observe here. X and Y persons lives in the same area. Correct. Next, Y and Z persons lives in the same area. X and Y lives in same area. Y and Z lives in same area. We can say that these three persons lives in the same area. Then what is the relation between here first person and third person? First person and third person lives in the same area. Correct. Then X and Z. Then X and Z live in the same locality. Same locality. Therefore, here first person X, second person Z. X comma Z belongs to relation. Here observe here second element equal to first element. Then X comma Z. X comma Z belongs to relation. Therefore, relation is transitive. So clear observe here. Relation defined as set up set A. Set A means set up all persons in a town. Relation between X and Y. Both X and Y live in the same locality means same area. Clearly, every person is related to himself because here X and X here. X and X same person lives in the same area for every person in a town in a set A. Therefore, this relation is reflexive. Next, let take X comma Y belongs to R. Write relation between X and Y. Both X and Y persons live in the same locality. Then what about Y and X? Then Y and X persons lives in the same area. Same persons X, Y and Y and X persons lives in the same locality. Therefore, here Y comma X belongs to relation. X comma Y and Y comma X belongs to relation. Therefore, this relation is symmetric. Next, transitive. That X comma Y belongs to relation and Y comma Z belongs to relation. The second element equal to first element. X comma Y belongs to relation means write relation between X and Y. Both X and Y persons live in the same locality. And Y comma Z belongs to relation means both Y and Z persons lives in the same locality. Means these three persons lives in the same area. Now write relation between first person and third person. First person, third person live in the same locality. Then X and Z live in the same locality. Therefore, X comma Z belongs to relation. Therefore, a relation is transitive. Clearly, it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore, it is an equivalence relation. The easy problem. Shall go to next problem. So, next problem. Relation are in the set A of human beings in a town at a particular time is given by R equal to X comma Y such that relation between X and Y, X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than Y person Y. Shall verify relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Given set A is a set of all human beings in a town at a time R equal to X comma Y. Here both X and Y are persons here. Here first person, second person. What is the relation between X and Y persons means? Here X person is exactly 7 centimeter taller than Y person. First one I am verifying reflexive. Very important here. Relation observe here. First person here X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than Y person. Reflexive means A comma A belongs to R. For every A belongs to set A. Here A comma A. Instead of A comma A I am taking X comma X. When we say that x comma x belongs to relation means your x person is 7 centimeter taller than again x same person, because reflexive means every person related to himself. Here for x person this is. Suppose x person height 6 feet at a time, not after 2 years, 1 year like that. At a time, at a particular time, x person height 6 feet means again x person height 6 feet. Cannot be 7 feet. Cannot be 7 feet. Cannot be 5 feet. Is it possible at a time? Not possible. X person height 6 feet means again at a time same height 6 feet. Therefore, here every person height cannot be taller than himself, cannot be shorter than himself at a time. At a time. Therefore, here I am writing a relation. Here x person, since here x is not 7 centimeter taller than x. Not possible at a time. Or you can write, see, simply you can write like this. X is not 7 centimeter taller than, again x reflexive means same person, not other person. Or you can write x cannot be, you can write like this, x cannot be 7 centimeter taller than x. Or you can write a person, since a person x cannot be taller than himself. Here person means don't take itself, element means itself. Alternatively you can write like this. But here relation is exactly 7 centimeter. Here not 7 centimeter means here x comma x does not belongs to relation. Because here relation is exactly 7 centimeter. Here we have not centimeter means x is not related to x. X comma x doesn't belongs to R for every person in the given set. Mind it. For disproving also here we take element, because we don't have a particular number like this, a equal to 1, 2, 3 particular number. By taking here element person, prove that it is not reflexive symmetric like that is. Second P, symmetric means if A comma B belongs to R implies that B comma A belongs to R, then we say that relation is symmetric. Instead of A comma B, I am taking here let x comma y belongs to relation. Correct. Now write relation between x and y. X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Now write relation. X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Correct. Then what is the relationship between y and x? Listen here. Here x person this is. Y person. Here x person is taller than y person. The difference is 7 centimeter. Correct. X person is 7 centimeter taller than y. Then what is the relation between y and x? Y person 7 centimeter shorter than x. Not taller. Y is 7 centimeter shorter, cannot be taller. Therefore, it is not symmetric. Right. Then here y is 7 centimeter. Then y is not, cannot be, y is not 7 centimeter taller than x, or shorter, can write. But here relation is exactly 7 centimeter. But here y cannot be 7 centimeter taller than, because here 7 centimeter shorter than x. Therefore here y comma x doesn't belongs to relation. Correct. X comma y belongs to relation, but here y comma x doesn't belongs to relation means relation is not symmetric. Relation is not symmetric. Next, third one, transitive. Instead of a comma b, b comma c, I am taking x comma y and y comma z. Let x comma y belongs to relation and y comma z belongs to relation. Correct. Here second element equal to first element. Then verify x comma z belongs to relation or not. Now write these two relations here. X comma y belongs to relation means you write relation. Here x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Here right. X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y, and y comma z belongs to relation here. Y comma z belongs to relation means right relation. Y is exactly 7 centimeter taller than z. Y is 7 centimeter taller than z. Exactly 7 centimeter taller than z. Following first relation, here x is 7 centimeter taller than y. Here x is 7 centimeter taller than y. Next second relation here, y comma z belongs to relation means y is 7 centimeter taller than z. Here y is 7 centimeter taller than z person. Here I am taking z person. This is z person. Here y is 7 centimeter. Y is 7 centimeter taller than z. Three persons here having different heights here. Here we shall find what is the relation between x and z. You can clearly say that x is 7 centimeter taller than y. Y is 7 centimeter taller than z. Then what is the relation between x? This is x and z means 7 plus 7 14. X is 14 centimeter taller than z. Total this is 14 up to here to here. This is 14 centimeter. 7 plus 7 14. Then x is exactly 14 centimeter taller, but not 7 centimeter taller than z. But here relation is exactly 7 centimeter, but here it is 14 centimeter taller, 14 centimeter, but not 7 centimeter. Therefore here x comma z does not belongs to relation. X comma z does not belongs to relation. Therefore R is not transitive. R is not transitive. But it very important one, very interesting problem. R equal to x comma y. Both x and y are persons here. Both x and y belongs to set here. What is the relation between x and y means? Here x person is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y person. X person is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y person relation. Reflexive means here every person related to himself. Every person cannot be taller than or cannot be shorter than himself at a time. Not after 2 years, at a time, but particular time. At a time. Here you can write x cannot be 7 centimeter taller than x. Or simply you can write x is not 7 centimeter taller than x. Or you can write alternative, you can write a person cannot be taller than himself. Therefore here x comma x does not belongs to relation, because here exactly 7 centimeter, not 7 centimeter. Here it is. Therefore doesn't belongs to relation. For every person, very important, you should write this, otherwise you lose mark. For every x belongs to given set here. Therefore here relation is not reflexive. Relation is not reflexive. Not reflexive. Next, let x comma y belongs to relation. Write relation between x and y. X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Correct. X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than Y. Then what is the relation between Y and X? Y person 7 centimeter shorter than X. Y is 7 centimeter shorter but not 7 centimeter taller. Y is cannot be 7 centimeter taller than X because Y is 7 centimeter shorter. Therefore, here Y comma X does not belongs to R. X comma Y belongs to relation, but here Y comma X doesn't belongs to relation. Therefore, relation is not symmetric. Next, let X comma Y belongs to relation and Y comma Z belongs to relation. X comma Y belongs to relation means right relation between X and Y. X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than Y. Correct. Here Y comma Z belongs to relation means right relation between Y and Z here. Y is here first person Y is exactly 7 centimeter taller than second person Z. Correct. X is 7 centimeter taller than Y and Y is 7 centimeter taller than Z. Then what is the relation between X and Z means here? Clearly X is 7 plus 7 14 centimeter taller than Z. X is exactly 14 centimeter taller than Z. But here relation is 7 centimeter taller, here not 7 centimeter. Therefore, X comma Z does not belongs to relation. Therefore, it is not transitive. We shall go for next problem. So next one. So relation R in the set A of human beings in a town at a particular time is given by R equal to X comma Y such that relation between X and Y, X is wife of Y. X is wife of Y. So you are given that set A is the set of all human beings in a town at a particular time. R equal to X comma Y such that here both X and Y belongs to set A. Both X and Y are persons because set A is the set of all persons in a town. Both X and Y belongs to set A. What is the relation between first person and second person? Here means X and Y persons. X is wife of Y. X is wife of Y. X is first one, second person Y. Correct. Interesting problem. Here X is wife of Y means clearly we can say that what about X is what? Clearly female. What about Y? Clearly Y is a male. Correct. Now verify relation is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Reflexive means A comma A belongs to relation for every A belongs to given set. Correct. Instead of A comma A I am taking here. Instead of A comma A I am taking X comma X I am taking. Here X is wife of X. Is it possible? Female is wife of female. Not possible. Female cannot be wife, cannot be a wife. This is not possible. Wrong. Therefore, we can say that directly. It is not reflexive. Here X is not, since X is not wife of X, because reflexive means every person related to himself, not other person. X means second person is also same person, X person. X is not wife of X, easy one. Or you can write X cannot be wife of X, right? Or you can write alternatively, since X cannot be wife of herself, because a female means take herself. Since X cannot be wife of herself, not possible. Therefore here relation is wife, here not wife relation. Therefore X comma X does not belongs to relation for each, very important, for each X belongs to set A. Here set is A. Not belongs to relation means clearly relation is not reflexive. Second one symmetric. I am taking let x comma y. Let x comma y belongs to relation. Now write relation between x and y. X comma y belongs to relation means relation between x and y. X is y of y. Right. X is y of y. X is y of y. Then what is the relation between y and x? X is y of y means clearly what about here? Clearly y is a male. Correct. Y is a male. Then what about y is clearly husband. Husband of x. But your relation is wife, not husband here. Husband means clearly not wife. Correct. Therefore, what about here? Relation is wife, your husband means your y comma x does not belongs to relation. Therefore, y comma x does not belongs to relation. X comma y belongs to relation. In relation between x and y, x is wife of y. But y cannot be wife of x because here y is male. Male means clearly y is husband of x. But your relation is wife relation, not husband relation. Therefore, y comma x does not belongs to R. Therefore, relation is not symmetric. Next, transitive. That I am taking. Let x comma y belongs to relation and y comma z belongs to relation. Is it possible? We can say x comma y belongs to relation means right relation x is y of y. X is y of y. X is y of y means clearly here x is female. We know that y is male. This is clearly y person here male. Next here male is y of here. Y is y of z. Y is y of. Is it possible? Here y means male. Male is y of. It is not possible. Therefore, don't take a second order pair. Don't take a second order pair. Then clearly we say that this ordered pair itself is a transitive. One thing mind it, transitive definition, clearly we can understand. Very important one. First definition mind it here. First definition, I am repeating this. If A comma B belongs to relation and B comma C belongs to relation, your second element equal to your first element, then A comma C. Then A comma C belongs to relation means a relation is transitive. We know that. Next, second definition. If suppose A comma B belongs to R, suppose we don't have second ordered pair here. Second ordered pair. Suppose here C. Here B is not equal to C. We don't have second ordered pair. Here this in second ordered pair first element equal to your second element of the first ordered pair. We don't have second ordered pair means this ordered pair itself is a transitive. Here also R is transitive. Mind it. Transitive definition, A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. Your second element equal to your first element equal to your second element. Then for it is to be transitive, A comma C must be belongs to R. Suppose A comma B belongs to R, there is no second ordered pair. This type of ordered pair there is no means B comma C doesn't belongs to relation. Doesn't belongs to relation means this ordered pair itself is a transitive. AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R and BC belongs to R and BC belongs to R, middle elements are equal, then AC belongs to R means it is transitive. Only AB belongs to R, no BC term in that relation means here first element equal to your second element means clearly itself is a transitive. In which case it is not transitive. Not transitive means suppose if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. Here second element equal to first element. Suppose here A comma C A comma C does not belongs to relation. Here A comma C does not belongs to relation means R is not transitive. In these two cases, transitive. One element belongs to relation means clearly it is transitive. Or these two ordered pairs belongs to relation, then A comma C belongs to relation means it is transitive. Here X is a wife of Y and Y comma Z belongs to relation means here Y is male here. Here Y is male means male cannot be wife. Here male is not wife of again male. Is not possible. Therefore, here there exists only one ordered pair X comma Y belongs to R. Therefore, it is transitive. Here we have to write like this. Since there are now two ordered pairs, what type of ordered pair means? This type of ordered pairs are not in relation. Therefore, it is transitive. It is transitive. Since there are no two ordered pairs such that X comma Y belongs to relation and Y comma Z belongs to relation. This type of ordered pairs are not in relation. Means your second element equal to first element. This type of ordered pairs are not in relation. Therefore, here each ordered pair itself is a transitive. Therefore, here R is transitive. R is transitive. Clearly, this Y relation only transitive, but not reflexive, not symmetry. Mind it. Here R equal to X comma Y. Here both X and Y belongs to set A. Here what is the relation between X and Y means X is wife of Y. Reflexive means same person related to himself here. Here X cannot be wife of herself. Not possible. Therefore, here write since X cannot be wife of herself, or you can write X cannot be wife of X. If you don't know means just write X is not wife of X. Therefore, X comma X does not belongs to relation for each X belongs to set A. Therefore, it is not reflexive. Next, let X comma Y belongs to relation means relation between X and Y. Wife X is wife of Y, but Y is husband. Here Y is male means Y is husband of X. But relation is wife relation. Wife relation, not husband relation. Therefore, here Y comma X here. First one Y, second person here X. Y comma X does not belong to relation. Because a relation between Y and X husband. But here wife relation. Therefore, it is not symmetry. Next, here X is wife of Y. Y means here Y is clearly male. But here male is not wife of here Z means Z is male. Male is not wife of male. Second case not possible. This type of ordered pair does not exist in relation. Only one ordered pair exists in relation. Therefore, this ordered pair itself is a transitive. Mind it, two definitions are very important here. We know that this definition here, middle elements are equal. A comma C belongs to relation means it is transitive. Suppose only A comma B belongs to relation. There is no second one. Second one means suppose this type of B comma this type of ordered pair not in relation means B comma C not in relation. This type of ordered pair not in relation means this ordered pair itself is a transitive. Mind it. Very important in this two. When it is not transitive means suppose here A comma B belongs to relation and B comma C belongs to relation. Then middle elements are equal. Then A comma C does not belongs to relation means in this case R is not transitive in this case only. So this type of ordered pairs not exist in here in this relation means only this type of ordered pairs exist in relation. Therefore, it is transitive. You write like this: since there are no two ordered pairs such that X comma Y belongs to R and Y comma Z belongs to R, therefore it is transitive. This Y relation, it is only transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetry. Thank you. You have to work out these problems. Very important. Yes. Thank you.